Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny. Today tutorials I will tell you how to draw table in Microsoft Word document. There is basically two methods. First is I will write the steps that you need to follow. Steps are first you need to select the first menu, that is insert. After that, here in the header you will see the after home there is an option of insert. On click you will see the third option as table. See. On click to the table icon, you will see the here option. First one is insert table, second is also insert table, third is draw table. I will told you in the next part of my tutorial about Excel spreadsheet and quick tables, but for now I will told you how to insert table. First of all, I would like to told you about what's the difference between first insert table and second insert table option. In first insert table option, you see whenever I hover the mouse on these cells, the number of rows and columns are getting increase. Now I will told you how they are working. Basically, insert tables option. Insert table option allow you to select the desired rows and columns of your table. For instance, if you want to have a table with 3 rows and 5 columns or 2 rows with 5 columns, all you need here the vertical columns are displaying the number of rows you want to add in your table. Maximum count is 10. Similarly, when you move from first column to next column, it will start increasing the number of columns. See, when I am moving to the next cell, system is automatically increasing the number of columns. Let's start with the 6 rows and 5 column or 5 rows with a 5 column. So this is how it works. From this icon you can select the whole table. On click to this icon, system will automatically move you towards the design and layout of table tools. These both options are so easy if you want to find, except without selecting this icon. All you need is to the table. Whenever you select the any cell, select or click any cell of the column, the system will automatically highlight the two options, design and layout. Click on any cell or table, word will highlight design and layout options. Make sure it is highlighting two options. First is design and second is the layout. Now I will told you how both of these options going to work. All you need to, when you click on any cell, system will automatically highlight this option. First let's click on design option. Design option, here the system is displaying by default it is showing the table grid with the basic design. Now we can change the table design by hovering on any of this design. You can select your desired table design. Don't worry about that whenever you hover these column code vanish. No, it's all columns are there, but in design they are only highlighting the rows, not the column. See, when you go for complete design, it is again start displaying the column lines as well. All these are the basic you can say default design that are present in Word. You can modify the styles of these tables, you can clear the formatting, you can add the new styling as well. Another thing is about the borders and shading. These things are basically belongs to the data alignment. How you want your borders to appear. For example, in borders you will see the bottom borders, top border. It is basically asking you about either you want to show the complete cell border, like whole, above, top, below, this one. For example, when I highlight, sorry, see, he's basically asking about this top border, bottom border, left border and right border of a cell. No border, all borders, outside borders, beside borders, inside horizontal bar, vertical bars, diagonal bar, horizontal lines, draw table, wave grid line. Layout border option is basically showing layout border. You can see it is completing the whole of this area. This is showing the number of options you can perform on the table. For instance, view grid line properties, delete. If you want to delete your table, you need to click here. If you want to insert a row above your table, you can click here. See, it has added this option. If you want to insert the below, it will add there. Make sure you need to select, make sure your cursor should be in a cell on which after that or below that you want to add. For instance, I am here and I want to insert a row below, then I need to click here and it will add a row below it. For instance, I am here, I want to add a row above, I need to click here. Another way is you can right click the option and it will show here insert column to the left, insert column to the right, insert row above or below, or insert cell. All these are the things that you can perform. From here you can also delete your cells or a row. So you can select a column, you can select a row, or you can split the cells, border, shading, text direction, text alignment. This is I will cover it in my next tutorial. From now here is an other option that is about alignment. For instance, basically here we are going to know, for example, this is my column 1. If I want to align this, I can this is the left line, this is the right line, and this is the central line. Later on you can also align the top line or left line, top line, middle line, below line will be here, top line, middle line. See how this is work. Text direction is another option. If I do this cell merge, sometimes cell merging is a very important point. I will cover it my next tutorial in detail. Cell merging is basically, for example, I want to merge cell apple and orange. I need to select both of these columns by clicking the left click and over to the next. It will highlight both of these columns. After that, click on the right click and merge cells. See, this is how it's working. I can add color to this for a better understanding. So this is how it's working. Now I will told you about the next option, insert table. Insert table. This will work same as we done before. You need to define number of columns, number of rows, and then click on OK. For instance, number of rows is 3 and 2. Okay. See, system had added a new column below the first table. New table below the first table. Now I will again add a new table. Draw table. Draw table will allow us to draw the table by our hand. See, the cursor has changed to a pencil. See, I have added a column. I write first row, second, third, fourth columns. This is so simple and fun-loving technique. You can enjoy working with this as well. You can write, you can perform designs as I told you before. You can select the all table. Again, text design, layout, borders, anything you like to add. You can delete the table by click the delete option of table. Delete table. So, thanks for watching. In my next tutorial, I will told you about the option that is Excel spreadsheet and quick table. I will also told you how you can add different borders to your column as well. Thanks for watching.